Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I figured today would be the perfect time to try out these new Revlon goodies that I picked up the other day at the outlet mall, at the outlet store. I went to the Bell's outlet. I don't know if you guys have ever been there. I know they don't have them everywhere, but they do have them in Florida. I think they have like them in Georgia and things like that, probably primarily down south. But if you ever can get into a Bell's outlet, it is amazing. So it's very similar to Marshall's. I had gone to Bell's the other day and I got a bunch of Revlon goodies that they had on sale. So I got the Revlon PhotoReady primer, which I absolutely love. This was $3.99. I got the Revlon Candid foundation, $3.99, and I got the Revlon Candid PhotoReady concealer, which was also $3.99. So I'm super excited to try those out with you guys today. And I'm just gonna kind of show you too how I've been doing like a kind of no makeup look. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I did do my brows already. I did put on my lashes because that's part of my no makeup look. I just put on like I put on my primer, I put on a little concealer. Usually I just use Tinted Moisturizer, and then the lashes, my brows, and then some lip gloss, and that is it. And I'm so addicted. Oh, I also love to use these. I could just go on and on, guys, right? But the Mercier caviar sticks, oh my god, I'll show you guys, but you just pop it in your inner corner, you just pop it down your nose, pop it on your tip of your nose if you want, and you can put a little bit on your brow bone, on your here, and a little bit on your cheekbone, and you just look so flawless in minutes. So that has been my go-to look, and I feel so good about myself too. It's crazy. Oh, and of course a spritz of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. So anyway guys, let me get into it really quickly and show you. I already did put on some of the PhotoReady primer, but I'm going to put a little bit more on, just hopefully you guys can see the effect. It's instantly brightening. It's instantly just leaves you poreless. It's really crazy. It just gives you such a smooth complexion. I probably have a chunk on my face right now, right guys? It's like getting, I don't know if you guys had ever seen, but I was getting laser facials. It actually makes you look like you just got a laser facial. It makes your face look so bright, so plumped, so poreless in seconds. It's crazy. So ever since I've been using this, a lot of you even ask me, what are you doing differently with your skin? And this is all I'm doing differently, guys. It is that amazing that it makes such a huge difference. Hopefully you can see that, but it even fills in the indentation under my eye. It's like an optical illusion, I guess, because it just looks less pronounced. It looks less purple, because normally it is purple, and then there's the lines. But with the PhotoReady primer, it conceals it somehow, or just, I don't know, it just makes you look so much more wide awake and all kinds of good stuff. So I do normally go in for my no makeup look. I guess I'll show you guys that today. I'll just do the whole 9 yards. So then I like to use my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid. And this is a really fast look, so hopefully I can do this really fast for you guys. And I just take my beauty sponge and just dab this on top of the primer. And this is just so amazing, guys. The other day I used a different, I've been using this every day and I love my skin. And then the other day I used a different tinted moisturizer. You know, I just reached for it. I figured it wouldn't matter, and my skin was so oily, because some of them just leave you looking too oily, if you know what I mean. But this one from Colourpop just gives you hydration. It gives you the most incredible glow, but you're not left oily whatsoever. It doesn't make your concealer or your powder separate or anything like that. It's just amazing. It just, oh, even there I just feel done. I don't even want to put on the foundation. Well, I do, but I will, guys, because I want to try it with you guys. But oh, my skin, I hope you could see it on here. I don't know. I don't have any lighting. I'm just sitting in my window today, guys. But hopefully you can see the difference that just made. And let me go ahead and find, oh, here it is, guys. So normally what I like to do is I like to put on the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and try now the PhotoReady concealer from Revlon. So it does have a really big doe applicator. I've never used this before, so hopefully, ooh, oh, it's very gel-like. It's very creamy, wow. Because I've been using a different concealer and it's much drier in comparison. So this actually feels just like my Hourglass. This feels exactly like my Hourglass concealer, which is like $40. So this is definitely, and it has a lot of coverage. Because I've been using the Maybelline Superstay, which I loved. I was addicted to it. but this actually might be my new jam because it felt so good when I just put it on right now. It feels very moisturizing. It feels creamy. It feels gel-like. Oh, it feels amazing. Wow. Oh my god, it just melted right into my skin. I'm shocked, guys, because I've never used Revlon products till recently. Wow. Oh my god. That's really beautiful. So then what I like to do is really quickly, I'm just going to set that so that I don't get any creasing. So I gotta be completely honest with you guys. I had this Kylie translucent powder and I never really used it because I always use my Mercier, but I had run out of Mercier and I just reached for this, and this Kylie translucent powder is phenomenal. You know, I think because like Kardashians, I don't know, like you kind of think, what are they really a real makeup brand? But this translucent powder, I mean, I know her lips are so good too, but this translucent powder is her translucent powder is really amazing. And I think it's about $20, so that's definitely a great price because, you know, at Sephora so many of the translucent powders are like $40. So if you see the Kylie translucent powder, it's really amazing. You know, to be honest, this would be like, I'd be ready to go. Guys, that before I came to hang out, I did have on that Revlon lip that I tried the other day. This is the Revlon HD gel lipstick. I'm gonna put it on again with you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the foundation on. So I'm just gonna primarily put it just on the outer portion of my face, and I'm not really gonna put it under my eyes too much. So let me go ahead and try it out. So it comes in a pump like that. And I gotta tell you guys, that Revlon concealer was in the shade, oh, and I thought it wouldn't be a good match for my complexion because normally I wear like a fair, but that oat is really good. If you see it in your similar complexion to mine, it's really nice. It wasn't yellow whatsoever, so that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this, start down here, and then we'll blend. And wow, this feels so good, gel-like as well. It feels very soothing. Oh my god, that coverage is stunning. Wow, that's definitely a full coverage foundation. I was not expecting that, but it is very full coverage. So I'm just going to take again a little bit more translucent powder, and I'm just going to set that again. Wow, this is gorgeous. This reminds me of a full coverage, like a Giorgio Armani full coverage. It feels, and it has the gel-likeness of the Giorgio Armani or one of those really bougie foundations, but it has more coverage. Wow, that's beautiful. This is amazing. Wow. So I'm in shock, guys. Actually, I'm just gonna do a little bit of, let me see here. What I usually do is just not much else. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a spritz on my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist now. And that's just gonna help everything to kind of melt together, look flawless and effortless, and also give you super long-lasting makeup. It is all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, so super amazing. Wow, this is such a gorgeous, this looks like when I use a MAC Studio Fix. This is like an amazing, wow, it feels so good. It's so much coverage. Wow, this is truly amazing. So I'm loving that, guys. I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of bronzer, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that bronzer and just kind of put it in my creasing area. So this is just, you know, for everyday, just, I think it just looks so gorgeous on the go. Then I just love taking these Mercier. These are caviar, these are eyeshadow sticks, but I actually put them on my face too, and I love it. So I just pop it in the tear duct, and then also a little bit on the front portion of the tear duct area. So I'm just putting it right in there, and then kind of drag it a little bit inwards, like so, just a little bit. And then you can put it on your brow bone, and then you can put it down the center of your nose. So I'm going to blend that, and then a little bit on my tip of my nose, and then you can put it over here as well. It's so gorgeous. And then I just use my finger to blend it out, and this is the shade Pearl. This is my absolute favorite one. And again, that is the caviar stick from Mercier. You don't even hardly have to blend, it just blends itself so effortlessly. It's crazy. So then a really great look I just love to do is I pop on a little bit of something like this. This is from Fresh. It is a cherry colored lip balm, and actually, what is the name of this? It doesn't have a name on it, but I'll link it below. But this is what it looks like. It's just a lip balm, but it has so much color. It is from the Fresh company. And if you really want, guys, this is another one of my quick and easy favorite things to do. But I just kind of stamp my brush with a cream blush and just kind of stamp that and stipple that right on your cheek area. It just gives you such a gorgeous look. Oh, gorge. So how gorgeous is that? Oh my god, I'm addicted. I'm so addicted. Once you get into it, you can't stop doing it. And I'll probably just give myself another quick spritz, just because it feels so good, and it's definitely so super nourishing and all that good stuff. So this is the finished look, dolls. This is my pretty much everyday go-to look, although usually I have been skipping foundation, but this foundation was too good to pass up today, and I'm so glad I tried it because the finish is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, I definitely feel like it gave me a glow. Like, I can't believe the coverage is phenomenal. It feels so good on your skin, so gel-like. Just like if you've ever tried a Giorgio Armani foundation, which is very gel-like, and it's just it feels so good and soothing on your skin, and it gives you a glow. This is very, very comparable. It just gave more coverage. So if you love coverage, oh my god, this is like gel-like, natural feel plus coverage. What could be better than that? Also, that concealer is definitely a new must-have. Also felt gel-like, also feels so soothing, but so much coverage. So OMG, these are new favorites, new must-haves. I'm so happy. I've been finding so many drugstore favorites. I literally don't even feel a need to shop high-end actually anymore, except for the Laura Mercier caviar stick. It's a little bit on the pricier side, I guess, but that is well worth it. That is 100% worth every penny. It's so much fun. It just looks so creamy. I know NYX makes a kind of pencil stick, but the Laura Mercier, something about it, it's just so creamy, how it blends out effortlessly. It's just really amazing. It's so easy to use. So oh my god, even though I know it, well, it's like $30, so that is definitely though something that I would, you know, is worth it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today and trying out these new Revlon goodies, and also checking out my new everyday go-to look, my no makeup kind of look. And also, guys, don't forget, right now on my website, use code GLAMLIFE and you will receive a 5-piece Luxe Makeup and Beauty mystery box with your Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist order. So definitely add the box to your cart, add the Beauty Mist to your cart, and then use the code GLAMLIFE and the box will come off free. It is amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to get it. So many of you dolls have been loving it, so I'm super excited for more of you beauties to try out my Beauty Mist and also to receive a mystery box. So thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know if you've tried these Revlon goodies. I would love to know your thoughts. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps out so much. And also, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That will be also super amazing, and you'll be entered into all my future giveaways. I have so many pop-up giveaways and huge giveaways coming up, so I can't wait to show you guys, and so you'll be entered to take part. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing. Remember, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Love you.